Fiona is a T-shaped small plastic device containing 52 milligrams of levonorgestrel, thereby releasing 20 micrograms per day in the uterine cavity and is effective for 5 years. Indication: Fiona is intended for contraception. More importantly, it is used to treat abnormal uterine bleeding, that is, menorrhagia, and DUB, dysfunctional uterine bleeding. Fiona working. Fiona prevents pregnancy by thickening the cervical mucus, thereby inhibiting the sperm entry inside the uterus. Fiona treats abnormal uterine bleeding by thinning the endometrium lining. Preparation for Fiona insertion. Examine the patient to establish the size and position of the uterus and in order to detect any signs of acute genital infection. Insertion. Open the blister pack completely by peeling the Tyvek paper. Use sterile gloves and sterile techniques. Fiona is provided with an inserter consisting of Fiona itself already in the correct horizontal position, an inserter tube with a centimeter scale, the flange, and the handle containing the mark, the slider, threads inside, and the most important feature, which is the safety lock. For loading Fiona, push the slider forward in the furthest direction as per the arrow on the handle. Do not pull the slider downward, as this may prematurely release Fiona. Advance uterine sound through the cervical canal to the fundus to measure the depth and confirm the direction of the uterine cavity. In case of any difficulty in insertion, consider dilating the cervical canal. Holding the slider in the furthest position, set the upper edge of the flange to correspond to the sound measurement of uterine depth. While holding the slider in the furthest position, advance through the cervix until the flange is approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters from the uterine cervix. Do not force the inserter. Dilate the cervical canal if necessary. While holding the inserter steady, pull the slider to the mark to open the horizontal arms of Fiona. Wait 5 to 10 seconds for the horizontal arms of Fiona to open completely. Advance inserter gently towards the fundus of the uterus until the flange touches the cervix. Fiona is now in the fundal position. By holding the inserter tube in a steady position, release Fiona by holding the slider all the way down. While holding the switch all the way down, gently remove the safety lock by pulling it out. Cut the threads to leave about 2 to 3 centimeters visible outside the cervix. Fiona insertion is now completed. Removal or replacement. Fiona is removed by pulling on the thread with forceps. You may insert a new Fiona immediately following removal. For more information, visit www.merilllife.com or call toll-free 1800 4194 433.